The sorting plant in Kujala Waste Centre processes mixed waste generated by households, construction waste and industrial waste. From these waste types, the plant separates plastics and various metals that can be recycled or processed further to be used as raw materials manufacturing. Waste that is unsuitable for recycling will be utilized in energy production. In practice, only stone and other inorganic material goes to landfill for final deposition. The latest technologies are utilized in the separation, which is based on such factors as the shape, size, magnetic and non-magnetic, as well as optical properties of the material. The plant's technical process is fully custom-made. At the beginning of the sorting line, the waste is fed by a grabber to the shredder that processes waste into maximum size of 300 millimeters. This ensures the optimal functioning of the screens and separators and results in pure recycled materials. The first waste separation stage is the separation by a drum screen. The drum screen separates the waste into two streams on the basis of material size. Appropriate raw materials are directed onto the production line, while fine materials, which will otherwise contaminate the recycled products, such as bio-waste, are removed. Waste with a larger material size continues from the drum screen to the ballistic separator to be separated on the basis of shape. Finer waste with a fraction size less than 80 millimeters is directed to the metal removal section. Next, a ballistic separator is used to separate the waste into 2D and 3D fractions with the help of friction and ballistic separator movement. "2D waste typically consists of recyclable fibers and plastic films. 3D waste typically being hard plastics, wood, and yet to be separated metals. The plant's overband magnet and aluminium separator ensure at various stages of the process that any valuable metals, such as aluminium and ferrous metals, are recovered and reused. The aluminium separator, that is also called eddy current machine, is able to separate aluminium from the waste material via fluctuating electric and magnetic fields. The overband magnet uses a strong magnetic field to recover ferrous metals. Non-metallic material is conveyed to a wind sifter that separates heavy material from light. It is primarily used to remove heavy materials such as stones, concrete, bricks, ceramics, and glass from construction waste, and to sift lighter material for reuse. NIR separators, also called optical sorters, sort valuable materials into separate fractions with their advanced optical infrared radiation and imaging technology. The optical system is extremely accurate in recognizing different classes of materials that can be recycled. NIR separators are able to identify a variety of materials, such as plastics and fibers. Compressed air pushes the desired material aside from other materials. All the screens and separators of the plant are linked to each other by belt conveyors that transfer the waste from one device to another. The plant has 32 belt conveyors that transfer waste streams more than half a kilometer. The process is being followed and monitored from the control room. The process manager directs the operations on the basis of the input material and the desired end products. The sorting plant complements waste sorting at source. It cannot replace the waste separation at source done by human hand and eye, which is the most important action in recovering valuable raw materials without any contaminations. Thank you for sorting.